In today's video, we're sharing some super helpful packing tips made especially for seniors getting ready for longer trips. Travel can be such a rewarding experience, and a little smart packing goes a long way in keeping it fun and stress-free. We'll walk you through easy, practical ways to pack that save space, stay organized, and help you avoid overpacking. From picking the right suitcase to keeping your essentials in order, we've got you covered. By the end of this video, you'll feel confident and ready to pack like a pro, so you can focus more on the adventure and less on your luggage. Let's start with the basics, your luggage. The right suitcase can make travel so much smoother. Go for something lightweight, sturdy, and easy to roll. Wheels make a huge difference when you're navigating airports or train stations. Look for bags with lots of compartments too. They'll help you stay organized and make it easier to grab what you need without digging around. Also, find a bag that opens and closes easily. Little details like that can make travel more comfortable and convenient. When your luggage works with you, not against you, your trip becomes a whole lot more enjoyable. Now let's talk about the must-haves. First up, make sure you've got all your medications and travel documents. Think passports, IDs, and any important paperwork. It's always better to have those things packed early so there's no last-minute scramble. Don't forget your personal care items too. Staying fresh helps you feel your best. Pack comfy clothes that work in different weather and make sure you've got chargers or power banks for your devices. These little things make a big difference when you're on the go. Clothes can take up a lot of space, but there are a few tricks to help with that. Try using packing cubes. They're amazing for keeping outfits together and your suitcase tidy. And instead of folding your clothes, try rolling them. It helps save space and keeps wrinkles to a minimum. Layering is also a great way to be ready for changing weather. Just add or remove layers as needed. These simple strategies will keep you organized and ready for anything your trip throws your way. Long trips can get tiring, so it's important to bring a few things that make the journey more comfortable. A neck pillow and a light blanket can be lifesavers on planes, trains, or even long car rides. Pack some snacks and a refillable water bottle too. Staying hydrated and energized makes a big difference. And don't forget entertainment. Bring a book, a magazine, or load up your tablet with shows, games, or music. These little comforts can make travel time fly by. Feeling safe and prepared while traveling is so important. A simple luggage lock can give you peace of mind and help keep your belongings secure. It's also a good idea to carry a list of emergency contacts and important medical information, just in case. Travel insurance is worth considering too. It can help with things like unexpected cancellations or medical needs while you're away. Taking a few precautions up front lets you relax and enjoy your trip with confidence. That's a wrap on our senior-friendly packing hacks. With the right luggage, thoughtful packing, and a few smart tips, you can make traveling feel easier and way more enjoyable. We hope these ideas help you feel more prepared for your next adventure. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who might enjoy these tips too.